The following day, we slept in until 9 and made it to the dining hall just in time to enjoy breakfast. After our late breakfast, we went to fly the drone. Neo captured some spectacular shots of the reef. Which also allowed us to see the details of the other part of the reef. Even though the sandbar was underwater due to high tide. He also captured some great views of the main reef area. At lunch in the dining hall, we watched the dive boats getting ready to take guests out for afternoon scuba diving. After lunch, we walked over to the dive center, where we had arranged to take a 1-hour snorkeling lesson. I am a good swimmer with plenty of diving experience from my days in South Africa and other parts of the world. However, this was Neo's first time snorkeling. The 1-hour lesson cost us 120 ringgit each, which included a full day's use of the snorkel, mask and flippers. Our friendly instructor, Noel, walked us to a readily accessible spot on the beach across from a section of coral. We donned our life jackets and equipment, and Noel took us out to the coral reef using a life preserver as our base. This was my first opportunity to use my waterproof Insta360 Go2 camera, which produced these excellent shots of the coral reef and fishes. My impression was that while the fish were colourful and interesting, the corals were not as colourful as some I have seen in National Geographic specials. Probably due to global warming and pollution. Our hour-long dive lesson flew by, and then we returned to the dive center, where our guide made this brief promo.
Hello, my name is Noel. I'm the snorkeling guide here at Mataking Island, Malaysia. So this is our reef, house reef, where you can snorkeling and watch some beautiful corals, beautiful fish, a lot of reef fish, Nemo and Dory. So if you have some free times, why not go take it a try? Come here, Mataking. I always be here, and a lot of friendly stuff here. All right?
We went back to our bungalow to shower, change, and take a rest. Later, we went for supper at the dining hall. While we were sitting on the deck after supper, one of the staff told us the furthest to the right lights we could see were on the island of Imam Stapi, which is in the Philippines about 35 kilometers away. The water was so clear we could see the fish that were attracted to the lights of the resort.